Hello, my beloveds. So today's topic is all about money, and money manifestation. Because some of you guys have been asking me so much about money manifestation, how to manifest money, how to manifest your desired wealth. So I decided to share my free resource, free workshop. I have podcast episodes, I have free course. I'm going to share the details about in this video. So check it out to the end to get all the information. So the first thing is Allow Abundance Free Workshop. It comes with the audio workshop. It also comes with the PDF notes. In the PDF notes, I've given you 5 money manifestation journal prompts. I've also given you 5 affirmations. So check them out. You would love them. Then I have 5-part free manifestation course regarding money. So check those 5 parts out. And then I have 50, not just 1, not just 2, not just 5, not just 10, but total of 15 podcast episodes regarding money manifestation to shift you into the abundance mindset, to really help you exit the lack matrix, and to so what this free workshop and the course regarding the money and all the free money episodes are going to do is to help you open up your mind more, to help you have limitless abundance mindset, to really help you exit the lack dimension that you might be dwelling into unconsciously. It will really awaken you to realize that you are the one creating your financial reality, that your financial freedom is in your hands, it's in your mind. And once you make your mind limitless, there's nothing in the world that can hold you back. Not even the economy, not even the currency, not even the country that you're living in, not even your industry. Literally nothing can hold you back once you tap into that abundance frequency. So I really hope you surround yourself in this energy, you soak this energy in, and you learn and you grow, and you actually start to live the life that you always wanted to live, with freedom. So yeah, that's my wish for you, and enjoy it to the fullest.